Hey everyone, in this video we are going to take our design that we created in Adobe Illustrator and we're going to make sure that we get that design to my dropbox. This is the end thing that gets it to my laser so it's ready for laser engraving. So what we're going to do is make sure that we have it all set up and right. We have it named correctly so I know which one it is, pencil 1, 2, or 3 that you're doing. And then the final part is just making sure that we have done a file save. Right? Make sure you done a file save before you go to drop it in, because if you don't, I will get your old document or something that's blank. All right? So that file save being super important. Now that we've done our file save, the next thing we want to do is go back to my Schoology page, and then we want to go on to that assignment page 8.1, and on the bottom you guys can see that there's a first hour, second hour, fifth hour, and 6th hour Dropbox for all my automation and robotics classes. So what we want to do is we want to click on first hour Dropbox or second, wherever we end up as far as our hour, and then when we go here, ignore the message, because I use the same Dropbox piece for my CO2 cars next year, or every opposite year. So all I want to do here is just make sure we add our files. So go to select Add Files, Files from our computer. I forgot to tell you, you have to go through and put your name, first and last, please. That way I know whose it is. And then also make sure you put your email in there too. And that gets you to this part where you can add files. And when we add files, we don't want to go from downloads. We want to go down here to our H drive, because that's where our stuff is. And then we want to find the file that we were working on, where mine was Pencil 1. Once we select that, we can then hit Open, which will see this on there. And then you hit Upload. And once you hit Upload, it should give you a little message saying, voila, finished uploading. Your stuff's been turned in. And that's all you need to do for each one of your designs once you are done. And then I will laser engrave them for you and get them back so you can take your picture and submit your assignment, which means that you're done. Hey, good job. Make sure you do this 3 times at least, and as many as 5. Have a good day, everybody.